For Lagos, if you want a person, they quarrel, they say, Alpha, who is his father? He says, Dangote, okay, no wahala. I will talk to $10. You want a person, they quarrel for Benin, they say, Alpha, that guy don't do an IMB. Winch people. They will not put me for court. They will take on 2 seconds to cut this now bill. I be almost confront. When I be SUG for independent, disturb me all the colors. I call the say, I no get secret too. Mona no put me for secret court too. After they cry joke, you see number one, what if be that my bush name again? After I talk bush name now they use that beg. What if be that my foreign name? After now they blame me. Oh, number one, you dey beat oh. Ghana so life be oh. Nothing sweet illiterate. Rich say people who go school not make am. They're too happy oh. They say I say me they go level. They say na school. Now for Canada I tell you that. May we never be poor. Poverty not good oh. Last week now I give my mama 500K. Out of excitement, mama say, my son, I wish I met you before your father. I said, Daddy, why? He said, by now you will be my husband, your father will be our son. Oh, if I try mona clap. Ah! Oh, God. Happy, oh. Now that guy don't that so. Next of kin, now they use ATM card, now withdraw sleep. As I they make money, I they enjoy. If I make 20,000, I chop 95. My next of kin should go to her. No matter how your belly are tough, who died, they not they give her rice. They crazy. They backyard. They don't bury her. It's children they groove. Now you a native doctor when they hold in or they put a kind for your head. Hola, Warri boy is heartless. So Warri now Yahoo boy use fake alert, pay bride price. Father-in-law wants swear, but his daughter don't already carry belly. The Tareto. This is now we feel crack people joke oh, because this is now AM. Even which don't close. No man give excuse rich man way quick on during sex. So after you don't tell the girl say, I am the Aziza of Warri. Get from Mugelikon. After 2 seconds, you see the man. Shit. The guy go say, baby, what is that? You see the man. This Bonvita has really finished me. Oh, they like her. Hey! Nothing sweet, rich say for your full house. Not only you want to go school. Your papa go collect. You know, I bought my first car in University of Benin. My papa, you say what? He said lie. I go come up for house, can't tell you truth. You will not drink. The grace. You don't need truth now. What do you need now? Money. Now people like you now make me feel say not be everybody when they table get money. If everybody when buy table get money, what is this guy doing here? Stop taking your driver out. That motherfucker. I leave my 2 children. They say, see time. My brother, there are some things you don't need to waste money on. Marriage. My daughter, my wife forced me to buy baby cots. See now, no children, they sleep inside. I bought baby cot 800K. Honey, you are a celebrity. Children, yesterday, my wife sleep the baby cot. I force her. Another thing people spend money to do is 1 year birthday. Rubbish. I came back from Europe last year. I spent 9 million. This is almost true life story. Fuck it. 9 million to celebrate my daughter. Time reach to snap. The girl they cry. Ungrateful child. The truth be said, joke too many for body. Ogalafo. That guy wait there now 2 years, he tells senior you. You don't know where your own go come. My brother, enjoy your life, oh. Your wife get contestant number 2. Oh. So sorry about the death of John. They don't kill her. Because they say widow when get big and elders not the delay bury your husband. Oh. Don't say bury him now. Bury him. What did that? Oh! Otogu Peters. Oh, I see Oga. They stole me your drink. The one that is sitting down, I believe I saw one judge us. When I sabi judge comedian, and I not go court of appeal. Where your colleagues and they sleep. Otogu, send me your account number and your BVN. And again, men are hypocrite too. You carry a shovel, you they give a head. Hold on. Time reach to knock, you go wear condom. What do you want to prevent? HIV when you don't drink 25 liters. Worry if you love MC, consider make some noise. Now, because of time, let me drop my last joke and leave. I came from Benin, I'll be proper Benin guy. But one thing I don't discover, say no to cultism. If there's one thing I respect Boss Amaju for, is constant campaign against cultism. Please a round of applause for my boss. I love him. Sir, I was Uniben SCG Vice President, University of Benin. I was never a cultist. So I know, wow. Good work! Good work! Okay? Hey, it's okay, DJ! Over Sabi, okay, you are Amaju. This is Amaju Pinnick. That one is Amaju Olympic. Go to NFF. What? 500,000. Okay, you dey do man. Let me Bobrisky you. Why you spend this kind of money? You're quiet. Okay, go ahead. You sit down, stand on top table. You don't deserve to sit down. You are too humble. Get out. Can you humble like this? Almost 500,000. You sit down. That guy supposed to carry you for back. This one will not get money. Stand up and carry her for back. Now, cultism and scam. If you are here, you are a cultist. But if you never join, not join. Ibro, say what they call. Blind Wambe. Blind, you don't know my story. Beneath the hot, now we the boil them.
You are a cultist.
Hey. Jesus. Oh. 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 My sister, stand up. 500 a day on your stand up. Wow. Now, so what is sweet? Amaju, give me your account. Let me recredit you. I am Richard Amaju. Did you hold on? Cultism is a scam. You don't say, most times they fight, they kill themselves for no reason. For Benin, malaria kill number one man. All mosquitoes see they fly. Say we bring her down. So I did a joke. Because I tell you, Uniben, I don't begin go echo, man. So one day we call it talk about campus jokes. I bet can somebody be picking my money? Now this joke I want to go. And remember, I will not miss with Kevin Sapp. Popular Benin comedian, key popular Warri comedian. Over money mixture. More than they help me. Life now, brain. Hey, why? You don't join MMM. You don't join MMM. This is why when you dress white and white like Gen Z, you don't hold. Forget that this is. I never said the small picking. You know, say one day mama called me say, that your guy AY greet him for me, oh. Yeah, mama there, it has spots, yellow house. As you drop an eye, you and mama na greenhouse. I love mama, just that men to the sofa. Bro, do you know for 3 weeks I've not slept? My wife did it, they say, which hair will I buy? A key. To show when you know what perform. Now my wife chop past me. I get 2 outfits, she get 9. I children get 4. On top one papa head. We never reach 40. Why you see say landlady many for Benin? Men don't die. Care about men. Just true. My father don't die. You. See my man at his pain. Carry another boy come my house. I'll show you my true color. I'll show you that I'm in charge here. What do men they go through? Victorine, do you know if man, builders, the wife, and landlady? If woman, builders, the husband, and landlady, the husband. What have you done? What? Why you a man? Like why? I heard that the Pope is trying to do some shit. They should bring you here to Benin. Don't be gay. So me, you call hold Edo Pikin. Like, what I want to tell her for room? Edo Pikin, drum my block, Edo Pikin, and then, squeeze my neck, oh! Like, why? Like, why do they do these things? I don't fucking care. I don't want to give me visa when I don't give me visa. Hey, okay, now, Shaibu go to date of Baseki. I don't take kiss. But more they reason all these things now, car. Now, Abba said that Oshumalo the date Wesley Hotel. Asaro baby. Call my name, call Oshop. Hey, Yare, Motus. Gays, you guys are bitch. Now, Genesis do not blow very dark man. If not for Genesis, who the hell is very dark man? Very dark man, they here. My job now, Regina. Fuck you, bitch. No, not lie, you. That guy beat me. Cultism is a scam. So me and I don't pick on the gist. One boy went go BIU. Because they just say, wow, it was really tough then. Yeah? BIU, they talking about God. BIU, whether they do assembly grand. So I can't crack this joke. Where's Kebenki? Come, let's do this shit. The way Abraka and Nibe Curtis, Abba said that the whole ground, they won't fight. Yeah. You be Abraka Curtis.
Sharp.
Hey, yeah, your ass fall out. One person hear you out of multitude.
We thank God.
Now, you be Abraka. Mona watch you. Not be real life. Maybe Abraka 01. Unibe 011 whole ground. Where they go meet now? Don't meet for Olobo, bad road.
That bad spot.
So, yeah, their name, the rugged. Your name now, Beria.
That's your name go be La Bista.
La Bista. Baba easy, you don't call the children say I join court. La Bista too heavy. Now watch. Oh, yeah. Now we won't make Yawa now. See us for Lobo. Boundary between Edo and Delta. Beria.
La Bista.
Beria.
La Bista.
Beria.
La Bista.
How many times I call you?
I know the count. I know the same message.
As I didn't see you, so you go pay me. Say they not go see your dead body bury.
You will want lost this night, so I go lost you for this time.
It don't say.
Wait till they sub, make it sub.
They watch your back.
Baba, not till they sub.
Because as you they move, my guy go they throw away gizzy, biggie.
As your man get throw away like that, my man go they throw away twiggy. Man mount.
She to join court now, they hungry now. Obi Kubana, you saw now? Now, Ajabo, Covenant and Babcock.
All this one get caught.
You know where they meet? Where they sell Misha. Number one man, they chop Misha as well. Their name can find, see Campon name. Your name is Smith.
Your name will be Kelvin.
People will won't fight. See, they walk out like gay.
Why are you shaking?
You are the one that is shaking.
Why are you shaking?
Smith, you are the one that is shaking.
Stand in one place.
I don't stand when I'm angry, Smith.
Okay, now say
you want to shake now, shaky competition, right?
Duh.
You want to shook him, man. You want to shook him, man.
I will put my hand.
You want my head to blank?
You
want my mommy to beat me? Number one man, they care about mommy. Nah, they want rake. So, you were telling everybody around that your court, like, got the highest cruise, right?
We got designers, dog.
Is there anybody in your court using Range Rover Evoque 2023 model?
Range Rover Evoque. Come off it.
Stop doing
Does
like
anybody in your car drive the Mercedes-Benz GLA 2029?
Why are you not doing like this? Why are you not doing like this?
Is it your waist?
Is it that I'm supposed to
Is it your waist?
But that's not even why I'm here, Seth. Let me just tell you, it has set that they use English declare war. So, when my man comes for you, you know what you're going to do to you?
What are you going to do? You can't do nothing.
Okay, because you are the senior. You tell me what your court will do to my court
I know
first.
that I mean, ooh, you are older.
No, you are a old courtist. You talk first.
It's okay, I'll go first.
Oh, yeah?
What we're going to do to you guys, you know that we are rugged, as in raw or ghee.
Hold on, where my money?
The doctor can go back, he did backstage.
Okay. You know that person genotype?
I mark your face.
Fire down. Who they cry, they see road to my brother.
No, I've been with for nothing to anything.
About the talk.
What we're going to do to you guys,
Let me hear you.
Me and my men. Guess what?
What?
Guess.
What are you going to do?
Just guess.
What are you going to do?
We're going to come to your hostel, okay? We're going to come, me and my men, all 9 of us. We're going to break into your room. Guess what we're going to do?
What are you going to do?
We're going to tear all your textbooks.
That will hurt me. My mother will disown me.
Yes.
My mother will disown me.
That's our
That they
plan.
disown no one. When you do that, then I will come for you too.
What are you going to do? It's not paying me.
Me and my very rugged men, our association, will come like a thief in the night.
And so what?
We will shop on your Indomie.
My
You will give it to them, you give it to
my
them.
God.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nancy Casino. Warri. Good night.
Good night. Good
Peace.
night. Good night.
Correct.